Good afternoon, Mom. The purpose of this video is to show you how to search for an application in the App Store. The application that you should press to access the App Store is the one with an A symbol. Underneath the A symbol, you will see the words App Store. Press on that app icon, and it will bring up the App Store. Up top, you will see the current date, you will see today, and any applications that are recommended for you to access. Look at the bottom of the screen and you will see 5 icons: Today, Games, Apps, Arcade, and Search. If you'd like to search for a new application, press the Search button, which is the one with the magnifying glass. Once you press that Search button, you will see the word Search at the top of the screen. Beneath that Search button, you will see a magnifying glass with the following words: Games, Apps, Stories, and more. To search for a particular app, you can press the words next to the magnifying glass. When you do that, you will see a blinking line. So to search for your app, you would need to type the name of the app at the bottom of the screen using those letters. Let's search for MSNBC. Assuming I can spell MSNBC. So if you look below, you will see the search results as you type. There is an app called MSNBC. I'm going to just select the last one. Okay, when you select that, it will go ahead and bring the results. As you can see, here is the MSNBC app. The way that you can download this app is to press the Get button to the right of the app name. You'll see this circle that starts to spin, telling you you need to double click to install, and you will see the name of the app at the bottom. So I'm double clicking. It says processing payment, but this was a free app, so there's no money spent on your card. All right, so if we look back up at the MSNBC app, you will see a circle with a square, and as the line starts to turn blue, that means that the app is being downloaded to your phone. Let's wait on that to complete. Now that that is complete, you can press that open button, and you should open up the MSNBC app. This is how you know that the app download has been successful. I'm going to go back to the home screen page now and to see if we can find that application. I'm going to scroll to the next screen. Please disregard this. This is how my screen looks since the update. But if you don't have the update, you will just have a list of apps. See right here, it has MSNBC. I'm just going to open it again and it will take you to the same spot. All right. So again, please disregard everything that it says here. As you see these squares with the applications in them, your phone may not look like that. Mine looks like that due to a recent update on the phone. All right. So this concludes my tutorial on how to search and download an application from the App Store. Hope you like it. Goodbye.